Hey guys, what's up? Ben here from NoCodeTribe.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this cool neon effect you can create when you hover over a link or text in Webflow. We're going to use a bunch of link blocks and mostly Webflow interactions. It's a pretty cool effect and it's pretty simple to do, so let's get started. As a reminder before we get started, I put the links of the live project and the links to clone the project in Webflow in the description, so go check it out. So before jumping into Webflow, let's first have a look at what's going on when I interact with this hover effect. So as you can see, it's a nice neon hovering effect when I place my mouse over the links. It's a pretty cool effect. I really like it, and it's actually really simple to do. So let's jump into Webflow. So as usual, I have two parts in my project. So the top part is the template, and the bottom part is where I'm gonna rebuild this hover effect. So to start, let's first have a look at the structure of the template. So inside this, my template section, I have a link wrapper, so a div block to wrap my three links, which are here. So a link block, sorry. And inside this link block, I have three text block. So pretty simple, and all those links are the same. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna build one link and then copy paste it to have three. It's pretty simple. So yes, let's do this. So I'm gonna here first put a background color, because if I place those yellow elements on my white background, it's not gonna be really visible. So I'm gonna first give this background color to my new project, and then we'll start to build the structure. So I select my section here, and I'm gonna give it, so I'm gonna remove this white color and give it the background color of here, gradient. And let's see in the template, what did I get? I gave, so this purple and a lighter purple here. So I'm gonna take this code, select my new section down there, put it there, and then go back to the template, select the other color, go back to my new project here. Okay, so now we have the same background. Cool. So let's build the structure of this component. So what do I need? I need a div block. So elements, div block. I'm going to give it a name of link wrapper, and let's style it like the template. So here's my template. What kind of style do I need? I need a display flexbox, direction vertical, align center, justify center. So here is my new div block, display flexbox, vertical, center, center. That's what I need. Let's go back to the template. What else? Nothing. Cool. And so now let's add those three links. I'm gonna add only one link and then copy paste it, so it's faster. So I select my wrapper and go look for a link block here. I can close this. I'm gonna give it a name of link. And let's go to the template. Let's see how I styled this one. So I need a top and bottom margin of 15 pixels, position relative. Let's do this first. Select my component. I need top 15, bottom 15, position relative. What else? I need, so font EXO, weight 700, size 40, height 30. So font exo, weight 700, size 40, weight size 40, height 30. This color, so I'm going to just copy paste the code. Okay, and then I need decoration none and capitalize. That's it. So I need decoration here, none, and capitalize. Good. Let's have a look at the here. As you can see here on hover, I have here a blue dot, so it means I have a special styling on hover, which is here, filter. So I need a brightness of 130%. Let's add this one here. So I'll go to select my link block, go on the hover state, and here I'm going to add filter, brightness 130%. No, 130. Cool. Now I have my my hover styling. I go back to none. Okay. So inside this link block, what do I have? I have 3 text blocks. Let's go get that. Select my link block, element, and I need a text block. Here it is. So inside this text block, I'm gonna write home. So I have my first text, and then it's actually here 3 times the same text, which is copy pasted, but styled differently. So I'm gonna select this one and copy paste it 2 other times. So I have 3 texts, okay. And now I'm gonna style them. So the first text, give it a class name of text. Let's see in the template what kind of styling do I need. So I need position relative z-index 10. So position relative z-index 10. What else? Nothing. On hover maybe? No. Okay, so we're done with the first text. Second text. We need a position absolute, 0, 0, auto, auto, z-index 1. So here's my second text. I'm going to give it a class name of text background 1. And we need a position absolute, 0, 0, auto, auto, z-index 1. Yes, what else? We need the size of 40 and the color, this yellow color here. Let's put this on, size 40, yellow color. So we have to change this one. Size 40, it's already 40, so we don't need to change this. The filter, we need a filter, a blur of 12 pixels. So go back to my text. I need a blur here of 12 pixels. Okay. Let's check on hover maybe. No, nothing. Okay, and now let's see the last text here. We need a position absolute, 0, 0, auto, auto, z-index 3. So I select my third text, give it a class name of text background 2. And I'm going to give it position absolute, 0, 0, and z-index, how much was the z-index? 3. Okay, let's go back to the template. What do I need? I need this color again, and some filters down there. Let's give the color first. So here's the color, and filters, we need a brightness 200% and a blur of 3 pixels. So filters, a blur of 3 pixels. Yeah. And we need another filter, brightness 200%. Cool. So brightness 200%, blur 3 pixels, like the template. Nice. Okay. So as you can see, this link here, it's placed on top of my section. So to make it more visual for the video tutorial, I'm going to place this link here in the center. You don't have to do that, but for the video, I think it's better. So I'm going to just select my section, go to here, display flex, and now we have the link in the center. Cool. Now I can just copy paste it here to get the same 3 links than my template. So select here this link, copy and paste, and I'm going to change the text. So the second one is projects, and the third is shop. Okay. Now I still have to change the text in the background. So to do that, I'm gonna hide the text on top because it's position absolute. Those two here, background 1 and background 2, they have position absolute. So it means they are behind the first text. So to modify them, I have to hide the one on top. And the one on top is the text here. So this one, I'm gonna hide it for the moment so we can modify our background texts. So if I select this one, no, this one here. So because it's position absolute z-indexed 3, it's the one under the text, the main text. So let's modify this one. I need here projects. So projects, okay. And the bottom one is shop. Okay, so now I can hide this one as well and modify the bottom one. So the bottom one, no, sorry, I just canceled this one. So I want to hide here, this one, yes. And the bottom one is really blurry, but it's projects, and the last one here, no, shop. Cool. So now I can cancel the display none and cancel display none. Okay, so now we have our 3 text like in the template. Cool, so we are done with the styling and the structure, so we can now jump into the interaction. So as you can see, I have an interaction on each of my link here, and yeah, let's have a look at what's going on. So I select my first link, interaction. So I have a mouse hover interaction. With on hover, I have this interaction with a few steps here. So let's have a look first what's going on. So in initial state, so here this symbol, it's initial state. I want the background 1 and 2 to go opacity 0, and then when the interaction starts, I want the text color of my main text here. I want it to go to this yellow color. I want my background 2 to go opacity 100%. I want also my text to go scale 1.01, and I want my background 1 to go opacity 100%. So let's do that for our project. So I select my link here. No, close this one. Close. Select my link. Element trigger. I need the mouse hover. On hover, I want to start an animation. Create a new animation. I'm going to call it hover on link. time animation. So I want, first I said I want my background 1 to go to opacity 0%. So I'm going to select here initial state, opacity 0. Background 2, same. So click this plus here at the same initial state, opacity 0%. Okay. Next, let's go back to the template. Next, let's see what was going on. Select my template, hover on. So I want my text to go to this yellow color. So what I'm going to do is select this code. So I want to go to this color in 0.1 second. Let's do that. Link, mouse hover on link. So I want my text, so I select my text at 0 here. I want the text color to go to this yellow color here in 0.1 second. Okay. Let's close. Let's go back to the template. Okay, so this one we're done. Second one, we want background 2, opacity 100% in 0.1, and the same background 1, opacity 100%, 0.1. Let's do this. So I go back to my link, to my new interaction. So I want my background 1, when the interaction starts at 0 here, I want my background 1 to go opacity 100% in 0.1 second. And same with background 2. So I select my background 2 at 0, opacity 100% in 0.1 second. Okay. And then the last one was scale. So my text here, I want it to scale to 1.01 in 0.1 seconds. So let's do this. Link, my new interaction. So I want my text here. At the same time, I want it to scale 0.1. I want it to scale 1.01. Okay, if I preview, what do I get? That looks pretty good. As you can see, here I get the same interaction on every link. So to do that, you just need to select your interaction here and make it a class trigger. So then every link, so every element with the class name of link will be affected by this interaction. So as you can see now, I have 3 little icons of interaction on each of my link. So if I preview, what do I get? That looks good. Yeah. Now I have to work on the hover out interaction. So let's go to the template, the link, mouse hover, over out. So over out, I want my text color to go back to orange. So what I'm going to do is copy this code here. I want my background to go opacity 0. I want my scale back to 1, and my text background 1, opacity 0. Okay. Let's go to my new here link, mouse hover. So on hover out, I want to start an animation, create a new animation, hover out link. And so I wanted my text color here. I want it to go back to orange. Here's the orange code, duration 01. And I wanted to my background at the same time to go opacity 0%, duration 01. I want my background to same time, opacity duration 0.1, 0% opacity, and I wanted my text, so I can select it here, my text, to scale back to 1 in 0.1 second. So that should be it for the interaction. If I go to the preview, let's have a look. That's it. It works. Here is the template. Here is my new project. Exactly the same. So that's it for this tutorial, quick and easy. Once again, if you want to clone this project in Webflow or visit the live preview, I put the links in the description, so go check it out. If you want to find more Webflow components, tutorials, or Webflow interactions, go visit nocodetribe.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel not to miss any video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.